Hello everyone, welcome to Career Talk. LinkedIn has released its report where it has said that these are the 15 roles that are increasing in demand across India in 2022. A very good report based on LinkedIn data which tells you what are the top 15 roles which are in demand across industries, not just IT. So I'm going to browse through that report, but what I want you to concentrate on is the IT roles that are very much in demand. Okay, let's go and deep dive into that report. All right, so this is the report that I was talking about, LinkedIn Jobs on the Rise 2022, the 15 roles that are growing in demand in India. And as I said, this is across industries. So let me scroll down right away. Number one is the affiliate marketing role. Okay, so we are not going to deep dive into this, but you can check it later. In IT, the first role that they are mentioning here is site reliability engineer, which means the most common skills are site reliability engineering, Kubernetes, AWS. Okay, and this is, as I said, from the IT industry. Top locations are Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai. Average years of experience which is in demand is 5, and remote availability is 8.6%. The beauty of LinkedIn is you can click over here and see all the open jobs as well. So as soon as I click on that link, it takes me over here, and on this page I can see site reliability engineer at JP Morgan, site reliability engineer at Qualys, all big companies, Apple, okay, Oracle, IBM, Microsoft, you just name it and it is there, Cisco. So all of these big companies are hiring for site reliability engineer, and you can just browse through, go inside this. Over here you will be able to see at the detail level, like AWS, Azure, what are the different skills that they're looking for. But this report itself is phenomenal as per me. Okay, if you scroll down further, you have molecular biologist as one of the roles, okay, which is not IT. Then you have wellness specialist. Okay, I'll just browse. Then you have user experience researcher. Okay, so usability testing, user experience, UX, wireframing, again IT related job. Top locations are Bangalore, Mumbai, and Delhi. Remote working is 14% availability, and average years of experience is 4.6. So you can see the demand is for 4.6 years of experience. Again, if you click over here, it takes you to the page where you can see all the openings, and that is why I'm a big fan of LinkedIn. It gives you all the information at your fingertips. Okay, user experience researcher, Oracle, IBM. You can just scroll down and see different openings here. Okay, I'll move on to the next one. After this is machine learning engineer. No surprises here. Again, the common skills are deep learning, machine learning, natural language processing, NLP. Okay. Okay, and then top locations, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai. Average years of experience 3. So 3+ years of experience. Anybody in data science, not data science, machine learning are pretty much in demand. Okay, remote working is 10.7%. Again, you can click here, go to the jobs and see who is hiring for machine learning. So you have Brillwork Software, Oracle, Kaizen, what else? Then you've got Apple, Amazon, Accenture, FactSet, ServiceNow. Everybody is hiring for ML engineer, guys. So that's it. That is the beauty of this report. Okay, let's scroll down further. You have a recruitment associates. Of course, people are hiring, so they need recruitment associates also. Next is data science specialist. So there is a little bit of difference between data science specialist and a machine learning engineer. Here you have got data science and Python as additional skills. Locations are Bangalore, Chennai, New Delhi. Years of experience is 4.5. So you have seen across all the roles, everybody who's 3 to 5 years of experience is pretty much in demand. Okay, and I'm not clicking on the openings, but you can do that. Then you have got chief legal officer, you've got e-business manager, business development people. Okay, then you've got back-end developer. Okay, again IT job. Now here all the server side technology people. Okay, Node.js, MongoDB, and JavaScript are the in-demand skills. Bangalore, New Delhi, Mumbai are in demand. Average years of experience 2.7. That is what people are looking for. Okay, so anybody who is less than 5, around 5, pretty much in demand. Okay, now you click over here, you will again go to the page where you can see all the openings with respect to this particular skill set. Okay, so backend developer, you see all this cloud backend developer. All these people are hiring. Okay, so this is how LinkedIn is very important. Then you have got media roles, strategy role, you've got business development associate and service analyst. Okay, so these are the 15 opening, guys. which are on the rise. Okay, number of openings are high. This is all LinkedIn proprietary data, and that is why I want everybody to be on LinkedIn and use it as a platform in the best of your ability. Okay, you can also go to learning. They also give you learning where you can go and learn the technology. Okay, I hope you found this useful. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already. I'll see you in another video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.